To access the Rogers Home and Away online manager, you have two primary options. First, visit Rogers.com using a web browser. Alternatively, you can use the My Rogers app, available on both iOS and Android. For web access, navigate to Rogers.com, where you can manage your Home and Away account online. For mobile access, download and open the My Rogers app on your iOS or Android device. New users will need to sign up for a Rogers account. Create a My Rogers account using your email address and personal information. If you're an existing Rogers customer, you can link your Home and Away number to your current My Rogers account. To log in, use your My Rogers username and password. As of 2025, Rogers mandates two-factor authentication for all logins. This means you'll need to verify your identity via a code sent to your registered phone number or email address after entering your password, adding an extra layer of security. Once logged in, navigate to Plans and Add-ons and select Home and Away. Here you can add up to 10 countries to your plan. Set up usage alerts to monitor your calls, texts, and data consumption. You can also manage your payment preferences. Setup typically takes 5 to 10 minutes and requires a valid credit card for prepaid options. Key features include real-time usage tracking, automatic top-ups, country-specific rate calculators. The online manager also integrates with Google Maps for location-based alerts. As of 2024, the portal supports multi-device access, allowing family sharing of plans. The Smart Usage tool forecasts your data needs based on your travel history. Remember, activation is digital, so no physical SIM changes are needed.